If you want to build serious money with AI in 2025, you need to stop selling AI agents and automations immediately. Instead, you should be building AI operating systems. And if that sounds too technical, believe me, it is not. Anyone can do this. I will show you why this approach makes sense and why not. Let's dive into it. So as I'm in my whiteboard, let's go. Why AI systems will beat AI agents. The problem with AI agents is that AI agents, a year ago you could talk about connecting simple two softwares, maybe Gmail, Airtable, with an AI agent and charge premium prices if people will pay for that. Because at that time it was rare and valuable. Now, these blueprints, these workflows are everywhere, and most of business owners can hire someone much cheaper than you to build them or find these workflows by themselves. When you are selling single AI agents, just like this, you are essentially trading time for money. You build one automation, sell it to one client, and then you are back to square. There is no recurring revenue, no compound value in it until you sell it for more. So, what's the solution? Because these blueprints, these workflows are now everywhere. You can easily download them from anywhere. So, what's the solution? So, the solution is build a complete mini Saas or AI system. Whoa, wait, it is not as much hard as you are thinking. I know it's maybe looking overwhelming, but here's the truth. It is not hard as you think because of AI. You don't need any coding knowledge. If you have it, it's amazing. But if not, you can still make it. For making this possible, there are tools like maybe you heard of them, lovable.dev, which I have featured many times on my YouTube channel, and bold.new, and many more like d0.dev. Using these tools and using tools like make.com and a 10 together, you can build your first mini AI SaaS with the help of these. But what's the best part of it? You can sell it to multiple people out there. You will build once, you did a determination hard work to build it once and then sell it for forever. Because you can sell it to multiple people. The same service. Sorry, multiple people. Then sell it to multiple people. The same service, the same structure, just do little bit tweaks and it is ready to sell to multiple people. Now or never. If you keep procrastinating, then it will always be a never. You have to commit now for your work, for building these AI Linisas. So how you can start for it? So let I show you. So I have built multiple videos around Another and Lovable, my favorite tech stack, like this Manage AI, personalized to lead generator Saas, and many more. But consider it as a beginning. There is too much content coming in future, and if you are interested, you must check out my school community where I shared all the resources and soon coming with the live calls too to build more things. So yeah, this is all from my side. And if you like this video, then please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one.